Hi everyone! In the last video we learned that how to create a building element, but I didn't went into the details. It's time to talk about the properties of the building element. First of all, let's have a look on the building element script's properties. The first property is the metadata. We will talk about that later in another video, but what's contained by the metadata? Because of that there are several building elements that should be handled in the same way, most of the properties are separated into the metadata scriptable objects. The building element script itself is holding the properties that's unique to the specific building element. The first unique property is the GUID. It is used for identifying the specific building element. The next one is the pre-built boolean. It is a sign that means that the building element is a pre-built building element. The pre-built building elements are placed earlier into the scene by the developers. When you are trying to build the same building elements as a player, and a pre-built building element is nearby, the algorithm will snap your element exactly into the pre-built element's position. You can already find similar features in different games like Lego Fortnite. The next one is the foundation boolean. If the use foundation logic is enabled on the building manager, the building elements can be only built in two scenarios. First, when the building element is signed as foundation. Second, when you are using a snapping algorithm and the building element is snapping to an already built foundation element. As you can see in the current video, the floor element is a foundation and it can be built anywhere. But the wall is not a foundation, so it is blocked until it isn't snapped to the floor. Last but not least, the area properties. First, the area type, which is an enum. You can use the default values, or open the building element area type and add your types to the enum. The building area feature can handle your custom values. Feel free to add your values there because that enum is meant to be changed by the developers to customize the area feature. These types are used by the area feature for the building element rules. The building areas can allow or block the elements based on their rules. You can use this feature to create custom rules like a building element can be only built near to the city center, or a machine should be built next to the electric resource, or a wooden element cannot be built near to the fire. One example for this feature is in Rust, where you can place two TC next to each other, or you can build next to the another player's TC. And another example is a Lego Fortnite, where you can place two village centers near to each other. Second property is the should allow by area, which means that the building element is blocked until one of the area allows it. And finally, the highlight properties. You have three options there: automatic collection, which is the default one, custom, and none. Automatic collection means that the renderers of the building element are automatically collected by the building manager. Also, it means that all of the renderers will be affected by the highlight feature. If you are using none, the highlight feature will be disabled on this building element. In case of custom, you can set by hand which renderers should be affected by the highlight feature. The highlight feature will change the materials on your building element. Actually, it will not change them. Just add an extra material for every renderer for highlight the element in the different state of the building elements. Feel free to ask anything in the comment section. And if you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe for more. And thank you for your watching.